Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today we're going to talk about Django, one of the most popular web development frameworks out there, especially for Python developers. So, whether you're new to web development or already familiar with Python, this is a framework you'll definitely want to know about. So, what exactly is Django? Django is a high-level open-source web framework written in Python. It's designed to help developers build web applications quickly with less code, while making sure that the app is secure and maintainable from the start. The philosophy behind Django is based on two key principles: don't repeat yourself, or dry for short, which means you can reuse your code and avoid redundancy, and convention, over configuration, which lets you focus more on building features and less on the setup. Now, why should you use Django? Well, one of the biggest reasons is security. Django takes care of many common security issues right out of the box, like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, XSS, and cross-site request forgery, CSRF. This means you don't have to worry as much about these threats because Django has built-in protections for them. Another great thing about Django is its built-in tools. For example, it comes with a powerful admin panel that lets you manage your database and content without writing any extra code. It also includes an ORM, an object relational mapper that makes it easy to work with databases using Python code, instead of writing raw SQL queries. And let's not forget about scalability. Django powers some of the biggest websites out there like Instagram and Pinterest. So it's definitely capable of handling large-scale applications. Plus, it's backed by a strong community with lots of tutorials and documentation, making it easier for beginners to get started. So, how does Django actually work? Django follows something called the MTV architecture, which stands for Model, Template, and View. Models are where you define your data. For example, if you're building a blog, your model will define how your blog posts are stored in the database. Templates are the HTML files that determine what your website will look like, the user interface. Views connect the model and template. They contain the logic to decide what data to show and how it's presented to the user. With Django, everything is structured in a way that helps you write clean, maintainable code, and Django also takes care of things like URL routing, database migrations, and more, all with minimal setup. You might be wondering, who actually uses Django? Well, some huge platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Mozilla run on Django. It's often used for content management systems, e-commerce platforms, social media websites, and even for building powerful APIs with the Django REST framework. Whether your project is big or small, Django has the flexibility to handle it. So to wrap it all up, Django is fast, secure, scalable, and incredibly easy to use. If you're looking to build a web application, especially if you're already familiar with Python, Django is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. And feel free to leave any questions or comments below. I'd love to hear from you.